Hello friends, welcome to the channel. It's Chetan Learning. Please like the video, share the video and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Hello friends, today we are going to calculate cutting length of a rectangular stirrup. So friends, we have this figure of a rectangular column of size 400 into 500 mm with clear cover 40 mm, diameter of the bar 10 mm. We have to calculate cutting length of a column. So let's see. And this type of stirrup we called as 135-degree hook stirrup. This is 40 mm clear cover, and for the calculation we have to calculate the concrete face to the center line of the diameter. That is, concrete face means clear cover is 40 mm and diameter is 10 mm. So half of the dia is 5. So 40 plus 5 is equal to 45 mm. This value we will see in the equation of calculating the cutting length. So before we are starting, we see some basic points. This cutting length would be calculated from the IS code 25021963. The bend of the stirrup always deducted means in the stirrup these are the bend 1, 2, 3. These are the 90-degree bends, and these two are the 135-degree hook bends. So the bends are always deducted and the hooks are always added. So the bends are most of the four types, that is 45-degree bend, 90-degree bend, 135-degree bend and 180-degree bend. In 45-degree bend we use 1D, that is 1 time of diameter. In 90-degree we use 2 time of diameter. In 135-degree bend we use 3 times of the diameter for calculating the stirrup, and in 180-degree we use 4 times of the diameter for calculating the stirrup. Now let's go toward the calculation part. So for cutting length of rectangular stirrup we have this formula, that is 2 into a plus b plus 2 into 10d minus 5 into 2d. So what is a and b? So in the figure we consider this part of stirrup as a and this part of stirrup as a b. So twice of a plus b, that is, first we have to calculate general perimeter of the stirrup, then addition of hook and subtraction of bending, that is second part. So first let us see a value. A is equal to 400, that is this side, minus 2 times of 40, that is cover, 40 from this side and 40 from this side, minus 2 times of 5, that is half of the diameter of the bar. That is, we have 10 mm of the diameter of bar, so 5 mm from this side and 5 mm from this side. I already discussed with this 45 mm, that is 40 mm plus half of the dia of bar, that is 5 mm. The answer is 45 mm. So the A value is 310 mm. And now find B value, that is 500 minus 2 times of 40, that is 40 from this side and 40 from this side, minus 2 times of half of the diameter of the bar, that is 5 from this side and 5 from this side, 5 from this side. So the answer is 410 mm. Now we have to see how many bends and how many hooks are given in the diagram, that is what types of bend. So in the stirrup total bends are 5, that is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, these three are the 90-degree bend, that is 3 numbers. and these two are the 135 degree bend, that is 2 number. I already discussed with you, that is this stirrup we called as a 135 degree hook stirrup. So the 90 degree bend are 3 number, that we are calculated with 2D, and 135 degree bend are 2 numbers that we calculated with 3D. This value I already discussed with the small figures, so I already taken from this small figures. Now put all this value in this formula, that is twice of a plus b is equal to twice of 310 plus 410 plus 2 times of 10d, that is 2 into 10, and this is the diameter of the bar, minus, now let us calculate the bend value, minus we have 3 bend of 90 degree, so 3 into 2d, this 10 is the diameter of the bar, plus, and we have 135 degree bend 2 numbers, so 2 into 3d, that we use 2d and 3d for 90 degree and 135 degree bend. So by minimizing these all values, the answer is 1520 mm, that is the cutting length of a rectangular column stirrup. So 1.520 meter. Now let's calculate the weight of that cutting length. The formula for cutting length weight of the bar is d square L upon 162. So d is the diameter, that is 10 square into 1.520 by 162. The answer is 0.938 kg. So this is the correct answer. This is the kg value of this cutting length. Thank you.